You know, it's right here at this spot where I told the story about my daddy going and eating and ordering ribs. And they called him before they came. He came to the restaurant and he come right here at this spot. And a man had gotten a cherry picker stuck in that substation. And it was such a high voltage, it blew his ribs out the cab and somewhere over here. He was dead. And my daddy couldn't eat the ribs that he ordered. You know, drugs the same way. Fentanyl. People get up in the crowd, think they know what the fuck they're doing, trying to have a good time, and they get a hold of that high voltage, and they're dead. And what we'll do is we'll talk about this. We'll say, well, they got a hold of some bad drugs. It was somebody else's fault. It was some dude that put some shit in the dope. How about this, motherfucker? How about getting high will kill you? Take that home. It'll make you lose your children, your family, your house, your dogs, even your fucking pet lizard will give up on a needle and a spoon because there's a warning sign right there that says high voltage. This will kill you. And the same shit's on the dope sack. But you don't get to blame nobody else when you're dead. It's over. There won't be nobody coming out of the grave and saying, it's your fault, it's your fault. No, motherfucker, it was your fault. Because you took a chance. You put it in the spoon. Yep. It's time for responsibility to be supreme. Truth and honesty to prevail. Here in Arkansas and around the nation. God bless you. Fluent fucking English.